So you expect things to go wrong with a truck, but here's something I was not expecting. You see there's no bolt here. It shook itself out. I was sitting in the truck stop and I hear this ting ting ting. I'm like, what is that? And I pop the hood and look, and the bolt had shaken itself out. And what I was letting it do is the AC compressor can move now. So, but got a bolt for it. This one was kind of hard to find actually. It's a 7/16 by 6 inches long. So what I did temporarily was I tightened up the alternator all the way, pushing it hard against this chunk of metal here, which is not anything important, not a big deal. But got the bolt for it now. There we go. Good to go again. Well, I turned in that rental trailer, and I'm going to be trying to buy a trailer in the next few days. Needs to happen soon, because every day I sit is money going away and money not being made. But we got a lead on a trailer. Hopefully I can get it. See how this goes.